Solana community, big news today to share. Happy to be back with you, here to break it for you, at least break it down. You may have heard of it. You may have saw my tweet. Make sure you're following me over there on Twitter at @Z_Humphreys or X. I always say Twitter. It's going to take me a really long time to do that the right way. But this is the big news. Make sure you guys smash the like button. You're going to love what we've got here because Solana Pay has integrated with Shopify for digital dollar currency payments. This is a huge step for Solana Pay in terms of use case and adoption. So that is what we want out of Solana. Speaking of Solana, let's take a look at this real quick. Solana on the charts today, one of our top movers, closing the gap really nicely, up about 8% right now. Solana Pay integrates with Shopify. What's going on here? Well, Solana Pay on Shopify opens up millions of merchants. Shopify is massive. Massive. This coming from the Solana Foundation head of commerce, Josh Freed, said this in a statement. Basically, this opens us up to millions of merchants to a more dynamic and efficient payment choice while consumers get the convenience and increased utility of being able to pay for goods and services with digital dollar currencies from the vast network of merchants using Shopify. Shopify has facilitated over $444 billion in economic activity and is available now in 170 countries. Huge e-commerce platform. According to this is according to the website. The firm has made other moves into Web3, such as allowing merchants to add NFT-based loyalty rewards and sell NFTs directly to customers using a Shopify store. But Solana, one of the top cryptos in the world, this is big because Solana Pay fully integrated with Shopify now for payments. That is massive news, and it's just one of the big use cases for Solana. We've seen a nice, really steady increase since Solana broke down below $10 way back late last year. Pretty much right when we turned the page into 2023, we were trading at around $10. Since that time, we are up year to date over 100% since we turned the page to January 1st, 2023 on Solana. So it has been a really nice return here, especially if you bought the bottom down there on Solana. Big news coming out of Sol today. Had to share it with you. Let me know what you guys think about this. Also, if you want me to continue to cover Solana, smash the like button for me. Let me know you're here by dropping a comment and subscribing to the channel. Appreciate you guys so much, and happy with what we got out of Sol today. Love to see it. This is great for the long-term future and outlook of the Solana ecosystem. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.